Hi everyone, this is Aslan of Vegivore Food Therapy. My next event will be on Friday, 5th of September 2025, which is a public holiday. And it will be from 2:30 to 4 o'clock. So it's a Friday, so 2:30 after Smayang, and until 4 o'clock, it's a high tea event. So previously, I've had free events at what do you call it, at the Pasar Malam. I've also had fine dining at Avante Hotel at the Sky Deck, which they've closed. They're no more operating. So I have that was quite pricey. That was 375 ringgit a head. This is what the restaurant charges because it was fine dining. But I curated the menu lah. So to bring down the cost, I decided to have it at high tea, buffet style high tea. So of course they'll be serving plant-based foods as well as non-plant-based foods. If you want to eat animal-based food, I can't stop you. But if you're coming to the workshop to know what to eat and how to eat, there's also a how to eat, okay? What you eat first, what you eat later. So you can start with the fruit salad and soup, and then after that with the salad, and then only you go to the carbs. So they have two types of rice, normal white rice. They have biryani rice, and they have lasagna also. But the lasagna got a little bit of minced meat inside. I tested the menu a few days ago. On that day, they had vegetable soup, which was nice. It tasted like broccoli soup. Or was it like mushroom soup? I still can't remember now. Anyway, then the other one was the braised seafood miso soup. The texture was very much like shark's fin soup or hot and sour soup, but it's what do you call it, braised seafood lah. Anyway, it was quite thick. Previously, I tried the food there. I had the pumpkin soup, which was very nice, and I had a salad, a Caesar salad. That was great. Anyway, this one buffet, so you know the Caesar salad, the waiter will mix for you and all that. The other day I went, a few days ago, the waiter's name was Hamza, but he can't promise whether he'll be working on the 5th of September. But I trained him lah how to what do you call it, to mix the salad and all that. And how to serve blind people lah, because I also have some blind guests coming. So this one is by donation, minimum 200 ringgit. The actual high tea price is slightly lower, but the difference it will go towards paying for my various eye treatments lah. Okay, so don't worry, I'll start my free what do you call it, Pasar Malam Nasi Ulam workshop soon. I just need to sort a few things out. This one is by donation, minimum 200. A bit pricey, I know, but what do you call it? That's what the hotel charges plus a little bit for me lah, for my various eye treatment. Okay, so if you can make it, it'll be on Friday, 5th of September, which is a public holiday, from 2:30 to 4. And to register, you make the payment, your donation, minimum 200, and you put your name and phone number. So I'll WhatsApp you the venue. The venue will be in PJ lah, okay? It's, what do you call it? Next to an MRT station, so very convenient for you all to come lah. Okay, but I don't want to publicly say the venue, otherwise we have gate crashers or people who don't make donation coming and all that. Very hard to control. Okay, so that one lah, if you can make it, Friday, September 5th, 2:30 after Semayang to 1600 hours. Okay. So if you can make it, I'll be giving plant-based food workshop, also combined with Ask Me Anything. Okay, if you have any concerns about what to eat for your health conditions and all that. If I know, I'll tell you. If I don't know, I will look it up and let you know later. Okay, bye.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.